everybody, good morning. We're going to be doing some chaffles this morning. They called off my work. I mean, we were off anyway for President's Day, but I was supposed to work at the shelter today, but due to the crazy weather outside, they called it off, and I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, so we're going to do some chaffles this morning. I've already got my bacon cooked. We're going to be doing like a maple syrup chaffle, kind of like what they have the McGriddle at the at McDonald's. So I have my coconut flour. We're going to be doing 1 teaspoon, and this actual recipe is from Keto Focus. I contacted her and I'm like, do you mind if I put this recipe in my video, because it is so good. It just seems so good. Okay, so actually it's two teaspoons of coconut flour in our bowl, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Get my almond flour in here. I've already had my coffee this morning. I'm actually going to make another pot. They're like small pots if you guys have never seen my other video with the French press. Okay, so then we have 1/2 teaspoon of, see, a little more, and that wasn't completely full. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to put the syrup on a little bit later. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to make this as a breakfast sandwich. Kind of mix all that up just so there's no granule, especially the baking powder. It tends to clump. So anyway, I always do that beforehand. And then I have my 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese to throw in there. Now I may take just one of these and cut it in half for the breakfast sandwich, or I may make 2 of them for an extra thick sandwich. So I've got my egg mixed in there. It calls for 1 egg. And those of you that are new to keto or low carb, let this, if you've never cooked with coconut flour before, let this set for a minute, because actually coconut flour soaks up the water like really. So you don't want this to be like too thick. So this consistency right here is perfect for a chaffle. I did add maybe a drop or 2 of this maple syrup, a sugar-free maple flavored syrup. I get this at Walmart. I love this brand. I also get the sugar-free Great Value as well. So we're going to use my little misto, and we're going to spray this down. Those of you that have used this before, I always do both sides. Make sure you let that heat up. I give it about 5 minutes when I'm heating it up. This actually will make 2. So there we go. We're just going to kind of spread it out there, and then the rest is for the other one. So I guess I don't have to make 2 batches. So I kind of just give it a little press, and then when this light goes out on top, you guys, these are like $9.99 on Amazon. Go get you one. It's a total game changer with keto, low carb, anything. You can make garlic bread out of this if you're making like spaghetti squash with meatballs. It is so awesome, this little dash. So this second one, I think, is a little bit bigger than the other one. So I know in the future that with this batch, I'm going to put, so See how the other one turned out? It looks so scrumptious. Oh my gosh. And it's not super thick, but it's a good size. But this one, as you can tell, it's gonna come out probably a massive size, but we'll see. Oh yes, look at her. No. So we're going to, I'm not sure how I'm going to assemble this, but the other one turned out a little thicker, as you can tell from the other one, but they look scrumptious. These little dark spots are probably the syrup in there, and if you can smell the house right now, yeah, it smells so good. So I think maybe, oh wait, I'll put the egg first. This egg is like an over medium egg. I can do this with the camera. There we go. Okay, our bacon. I don't think I'm going to use all this bacon either, so I'm just going to use maybe 3 of those. And I did heat up some syrup. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on top of here. This is not going to be one of your chaffles that you actually pick up because it's probably too messy. Alright, you guys. We'll just eat that bacon. Alright, look at her. Look at her. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, the chaffles are a total game changer. And if you want, if these do not taste eggy or cheesy, they taste like a McGriddle. If you love McGriddles, this is your ticket. There we go. Give you a good shot back there. And then what I'm going to do is probably, this is 2 tablespoons of that syrup. I'm just going to do that with it. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Well, if you guys enjoy this, I will put her recipe in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. Look at this little girl. If that is not spoiled, I don't know what is. She's spoiled.